Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the repository exists and your local Git identity is set. This avoids commit attribution issues. Once done, clone the repository to a working folder so you can add files. Make sure to pick public versus private intentionally for access control. Next, create or copy your project files into the cloned folder and check Git status to confirm untracked files. This first set of actions establishes a clean local workspace and aligns permissions before you add. You now focus on changes and history hygiene. Create a feature branch to isolate work because branches prevent accidental changes to main. Stage only the files you intend to include. Use git add for selected files or git add for all, and inspect stage changes so your commit is precise. Commit with a concise message that explains the why and what. Once committed locally, confirm with git log or git show. This middle phase ensures your work is organized and reviewable before sharing. Finally, you push the branch and create a pull request to integrate your project, pushing with usets upstream so future pushes are simple. Once the PR is open, add a clear summary, link issues, and request reviewers so context and approvals happen faster. After approvals merge using the chosen strategy, then pull the merged main branch locally and delete the feature branch to keep the repo tidy. If something goes wrong, check git remote, branch names, and error messages. Git fetch and git status will guide recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.